I got it. Pull it out and pop it. Poppin' at your noggin. I'm rockin' Givenchy, Louis Vuitton Donnin. I don't fuck with Robins, flyer than a Robin. Ball like Mike Jordan. Niggas Craig Hodges. I'm just smoking till I'm unconscious. Rollin' till I OD, drinking till I vomit. Honest, I'm just smoking till I'm unconscious. Rollin' till I OD, drinking till I vomit.
Don't know how I get so high, but I'm not passing out. I guess the drugs are in my blood, hope I don't pass it down. Hope I'm alive to see my baby get a cap and gown. Cause doctors told my daddy won't be here a year from now. Yeah, my first reaction is punching the wall until it's cracking. Both my knuckles shattered, don't ask what the fuck's the matter. I've been battling the fact I lost my closest to cancer. The only thing she asked was for me and him to get closer, but I hung up too fast, went to sleep and then she passed. You've been silent 7 years, it took that to get us back. We all needed second chances, I've been battling this sadness. I guess I'm just happy that we finally got to bury shit before the casket.
Brand new gun and I can't wait to use it. I'ma beat it up like I'm abusive. Hey, niggas talking stupid, what they doing? Hey, he got a new block, but who he shooting?